Hello, this is Westgate Property Management, and I am outside of 360 East School Street in Cotati. I'm going to walk you through this one bedroom, one bath cottage in just a moment, but I want to give you a view of the surrounding neighborhood. This cottage is located just west of the town square of Cotati in a really sweet neighborhood. And it has just the cutest front yard, private, in this really great neighborhood. Anyway, this is dedicated just to this tenant. Now I'm gonna turn around so you can kind of see it. The sun is starting to set, but look at how sweet this is. And you come in, and there's a really nice extra room here. It would make a perfect office or mudroom, whatever you can think of, but it's a really nice size. 3 windows. You come into the living room area. Again, a window that looks out the front of the home, sweet wainscot, and an eat-in kitchen area. Sweet vintage kitchen and a small gas range. You can see the living room from here as well. There is a door here that exits to the side yard. Bathroom with a stall shower and a suite bedroom as well. So again, this is 360 East School Street in Cotati. Thank you so much for watching.